In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AutoCAD error, fatal error report. If AutoCAD keeps throwing a fatal error report, a common culprit is your graphics system. That doesn't necessarily mean your hardware is failing. It often points to a compatibility issue between AutoCAD's visual features and your current graphics driver or settings. Start inside AutoCAD with the command line visible at the bottom of the screen. Click into it, type 3D config, and press enter. This opens the graphics performance window, which controls how AutoCAD uses your graphics card. Think of this panel as your safe testing ground. Here, you can toggle specific visual features on and off, or go straight to disabling hardware acceleration entirely. Hardware acceleration hands off rendering tasks to your GPU for speed, but on some systems, it can trigger instability. If you're seeing those fatal error reports, try turning off hardware acceleration first. Apply the change and let AutoCAD update. If it prompts you to restart the application, go ahead and do that. Then work as you normally would to see if the error still appears. If the error goes away with hardware acceleration off, you can come back later and re-enable it. Then selectively disable individual features in this window to find the exact setting that causes trouble. That way, you keep as much performance as possible while avoiding crashes. If you prefer a quick fix and don't need advanced visuals, you can simply leave hardware acceleration disabled. If you still get the fatal error after adjusting these graphics settings, your next move is to update your graphics drivers and choose the Studio Ready drivers instead of the Gaming Ready drivers. Studio drivers are designed and tested for creative and professional applications like AutoCAD, prioritizing stability over cutting-edge gaming optimizations. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's official support page or use their desktop utility, locate the latest Studio driver for your exact GPU model and operating system, and install it. Follow the on-screen steps and allow your system to restart if prompted. Once your drivers are updated, launch AutoCAD again and repeat the same tasks that previously caused the crash. With Studio drivers in place, AutoCAD should communicate more reliably with your GPU, reducing or eliminating the fatal error reports. If you had disabled hardware acceleration earlier, you can try turning it back on in the graphics performance window and test again. If the program stays stable, you're all set. That's all you need to fix the AutoCAD fatal error report caused by graphics issues. Adjust graphics performance settings with 3D config, and if needed, switch to Studio Ready drivers for a more stable experience.